So this is the Smith 4D Mag, top of the line snow goggles for skiing and snowboarding. It's one of their top goggles right now. Has a lot of new features that are not available in other goggles. It comes with two lenses, so let's look at the first lens here. So this goggle, the different thing about it that's not on any of the goggles that are on the market right now is it has a curved bottom on the lens. And what this curvature does is it gives you 25% more vision of what's on the mountain. Unlike a lot of the other goggles, it doesn't curve on the bottom. The other goggles don't curve on the bottom. You see more of the frame. For this, you see actually more of the mountain, and you can see what's ahead of you a little bit better. And that'll keep you from falling for those of you that need to see what's coming. So this is the normal lens that's coming with the goggles on this white band. The cool thing about it is there's a second lens that comes with it for the low light where the sun is not out. You want to be able to see more when it tends to be a little bit darker. So that's pretty cool. It can adapt to a lot of the different situations. And to actually change it in, it's very, very easy compared to a lot of the other goggles, and it's very secure. So you take the goggles here, and what you do is there's a little button here that you can actually switch downwards. And once you switch this downwards on one side, you can do that as well on the other side, and this lens should come right off. So it's very easy to come off, and when you want to put it on, it's magnetic, so that's why it's called the Smith 4D Mag. It snaps right back in. So I can do that with any of the goggles to interchange them for different situations, lock it back in by putting these two notches up, and then you're good to go for the mountain. Very helpful to be able to have that technology, see a lot of the mountain, and adaptable to a lot of different situations. Looks good, and has a medium to large size fit, and it only comes with this fitting size. I think there's also an Asia fit as well for those nose kind of like size, but other than that, this is the Smith 4D Mag.
But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing on the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have